There's me. There's me. There's me.
Trey made this beat.
I know that you don't have to tell us so. See, I know what you're going through. Say, come here, girl, let me take it off.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy Tino, man. Today, I'm just so excited. Today, I'm picking up my first semi truck. I purchased my first semi truck. They just called me and told me that I can come pick it up. That's my brother in the background. They just called me and told me I can come pick it up. So I'm finna take y'all along the journey with me, and we finna get it, man. Let's get it. My baby excited too about getting this semi truck. You excited? Huh? You excited? She coming too. Let's get it. There's me. There's me. There's me. Stop it. We did it, cuz.
Good. I love you.
We did it, bro. Guess what I did today? Get what I did today? Hey, this is mine. This is all mine. This is mine. This is mine. This me. All mine. Paperwork. Paperwork. Geraldine's transport is mine. Let's go. Alright, so I just got back to my truck. No, I just got back in the city, my bad. I just got back in the city. Here's the truck again, y'all. I'm gonna get it back on the road probably next week sometime. There's a cub right there. See cub right there. But I just got back in the city. I'm finna head home and handle some business. And we should be on the road real soon, man. But yeah, man, we gotta thank God for the blessings in the name of Jesus, man, for real. I'm so happy, I'm blessed, and I can't help, but I can't thank God enough for these blessings, man. So, you know, I'm just blessed. But yeah, man, it's the truck, and we should have it on the road real soon.